Meron bang mga Pilipina dyan na galing dito sa US na nakauwi na ng Pinas? So guys, let me know guys. Let me know.
Good morning, Philippines!
Unya, kaya ko duty. Hantun man sa alas 10. Dito ko katulong na din. Biglang ka mga buwan na kung ipagpitan siya, ipaabot doon. Wala din ang gusto makita.
There she is, guys. Hard at play. Hard at work.
Are the what?
Hard at work. With a little man. That's Dimple Lump. Oh, Dimple Lumps. And the little man's up here.
So I take over your office na, Han?
You all took over the office. That's what you can do.
I take over your office na, love.
That little man. Look inside your ear. Oh, look inside the ear.
It's really comfortable here. I like it. I can see the... She's sunbathing.
Dimple, 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 Dimple. Dimple, Dimple, Dimple.
How to do that?
Can you look inside your ear?
What? You know I talk about the ear.
No, let's look inside your ear.
And I'm gonna bring my table here. Don't look closer.
What table?
My table.
No. There's not enough stuff in here. Jeez.
I can have a little space here. Hi guys. Nagmamadali akong naligo. Kasi habang naliligo ako, tinitignan ko kung close ba itong sliding door. Kasi ako yung nag-close kanina. Na ano ako ba? Nag-alala ako, baka nilock ko yung sliding door. So iniisip ko habang naliligo ako, sabi ko, magmamadali nga ako kasi baka nalock ko yung door and then magagalit yun lagi matagal. Sabi ko, nagmamadali ako naligo para lang matignan kung open ba talaga or close yung sliding door. So nagmamadali talaga ako. Ito yung shower na hindi isang minuto. Madali talaga. Naghugas naman ako kagabi. Kain tayo ng vitamins. Grabe yung pagmamadali ko ba. Nag-snow na naman. Dalawa ko yung kinakain ng vitamins. 2 ganito a day. Vitamin C and D. Ano na guys? It is 11:30. You know what? I ran to the shower quicker. Very fast. And then when I went to the shower, I was thinking, oh my God, I have to take a shower fast because maybe I lock you outside. So I went shower, blam, 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 blam. Get out. And then I thought I locked you.
You did?
I didn't. So I showered done.
Oh, I showered quick, but okay.
Well, now, Han.
The shower was bad. Half the shower wasn't working.
Is that what it is?
What you do is I put my finger like this because you get line buildup on
You
it.
clean it?
Well, I just took my finger and went around because they're all little rubber things, and it cracks it, and then all of a sudden the water started coming out.
Okay. Hey, you should do this. Is your house and that's your shower. Because
There's
this
no shower.
is the problem,
How do you not
guys.
know the shower's not working?
It's working. There's water coming out.
Half.
No, it's not.
Fine.
You know what I noticed? The shower is stronger in the other side, and the other side have this water like separate, like went to separate ways, like it's going to the door, sliding door.
Yeah.
I said, oh my God, I twisted. It's still there because the water came outside because of that separate water.
You see the white on those little.
Okay, so is it working na?
Yeah.
Hiwalay kami maligo, guys. He went shower upstairs. Nag-ano kasi siya, nag-tab-tab kahapon. Enjoy tab-tab. And hindi kami naglilinis sa driveway kasi magmi-melt lang yan kasi yung temperature is every day is higher. So, we're just gonna let it be. Hindi naman kami alis. The dog have still food. We can run tomorrow or we can run the next day. They won't starve. We have a lot of beef. Beef soup for Roxy. Right, Rox? This is the dry clean, When you're ready, you let me know, okay? That I can film how to, I can see how you wash this with that thing. Kasi bumili siya, guys, ng pang dry clean. I don't know, pinakita ko ba sa inyo? Ito yun. Oh, ito dry clean. All of them, I think. Ito siya, dry clean. Mga ganito. Hi, guys. Namula talaga yung dito ko, Hindi ko alam. Hindi ko binublow dry yung buhok ko ngayon. Pabayaan lang natin siyang mag-dry. Naano ako ba kasi, dito, mapula at saka ang kati. So, nilagyan ko siya ng petroleum para naman, nakita niyo, parang shiny. Petroleum jelly. Kasi we supposedly going to Walmart, but it just keeps snowing. We're just gonna do it tomorrow. It's a nice weather. Tomorrow, nice temperature.
Well, not bad enough to make you not go.
We're gonna do tomorrow. We're just gonna relax. I'm gonna watch can we watch a thing here? Oh, you're watching
You want to watch Snowpiercer?
Hala, hala, I was thinking, did we finish it?
Oh, you fell asleep on it. I fell asleep on it. It was like a finish.
Last night, we came home and Snowpiercer is on. I woke up this morning and I was thinking, I finished the thing. And I cannot even remember what's the ending. And I really thought we did
Or
finish
any other
it.
part of it.
So we both fall asleep?
I know I did.
Okay.
I know you did before me, so I guess so.
Really, honey? Seriously?
Yeah.
Honey, you turn your back? And I thought you fall asleep first. And I thought I did finish it. Kain lang tayo ng broccoli and chicken and rice. So yun. So that's what I'm going to have. I don't really understand about this snow. It's just going to rain and snow. And now it's supposedly be raining. Pero nag-snow pa rin. Yung namin, walay na talaga ito, walay. So yun, kuha tayo ng libro para magsulat. Kasi, yun, gusto kong magsulat ng i-film ko. Maggawa tayo ng dialogue talaga. So yun, itong office ko, wala nang kasi, yun, wala na tayo dito. Decline their driveway. And we don't. Anyway, I will be in your bed. I will be in your office, love. Okay? I'm gonna write something. Everybody's sleeping, everybody's eating. Never ending eating. So, ang gagawin ko is maghanap tayo ng mga picture. Meron akong mga hanaping picture. Picture ito ni Bianan, matagal na to. Mga old pictures, pero titignan ko lang siya. I-collect natin yung mga meron akong hanahanap. Han?
Why is it cold?
Because you're smoking and I'm doing I'm looking for a picture for the house from the old picture, how nice it is. I'm just gonna show it. Yeah.
I know we're on schedule. I'm checking on you, bro. I was just sitting here thinking.
What are you doing now? What? And what did you do before?
Make a salad.
Huh?
Made a salad.
And where is your salad?
Sitting on the side of the bowl.
I don't see anything.
Look harder.
Huh?
Look harder.
Okay. How many left? How many thing left here? There's still 2?
Yeah, those two in that drawer and two in this drawer.
Okay. You're not hot? Every time I play game and I get aggravated, I get so hot. Busy yan sa kakaluto. Are you cooking?
No, making dog food.
That's cooking.
I think so.
You won't hurt me with a knife, no?
You think? What do you think?
I think you will. That's for people, bad people, Tommy.
We got a bad dream, because we got a family.
That's why there's no more knife over there because you go cray.
I go cracker?
I used to sleep with knife, guys, when I'm alone here. Now he is here. He's worried, so I get rid of it.
I'm just saying what's happening.
No, you're worried because you said if I might dreaming bad things. Oh, it's 37 degrees. Hopefully it melts, son. So yun, guys. The problem here is we're not cooking. He's making salad. We're gonna be healthy, and then tomorrow we'll be unhealthy. Hala, do we still have rice, son? Kasi yung sabaw, nagnilaga, diba? Okay, meron pa tayong sabaw. Rice. So yun, pinakainan niya yung mga alaga. Okay.
It's so clean away. Try it. Whip it up.
This is how you clean it. Honey, your wife is too short hand. It's nice when the camera is right here. Up hand.
You need longer arms.
Can see you. Over here like this,
You need
it's
longer
too short.
extension.
It's too short. So it should be like this. So I kinda like, hoy, nagunsa mo? Hoy, anong ginawa niyo? What are you doing? Hoy. I think we're gonna have the ice cream because somebody told somebody comment something about I should eat the ice cream while watching TV. Ang laki na ng mukha ko na.
It's gonna dry.
Taba-taba ko na. Ay. Okay lang yan. Okay lang yan na mataba. Basta kayo mataba. Diba? What? Basta masaya, taba. Happy na. Okay na yan. Basta mataba. Han, I'm fat, right?
No.
No. The only problem, guys, nandito kami sa bahay palagi. We're always in the house. And then we're always thinking food. Like, I'm playing, I'm editing, and then suddenly, I want to munch something. Oh, I want to eat something. Yun na lang yung iniisip namin palagi. Pagkain na lang yung iniisip namin palagi. We always think about food because we're just here doing nothing. The snow stops. It's not raining. Did you check the Neuroshell camera? You didn't? Oh, you didn't check also the garbage if they pick up, right? Huh?
They pick up.
They didn't?
They did.
Did you check? Labas si Tami. Tignan natin kung nag-melt ba itong... Ay, ang basa. Wala. The whole floor is wet. That means that thing is wet. Did you touch it? Yeah, I see. Oh, it's not melting, hon. It's not...
Looks nice.
Hmm?
Sky looks nice.
The sky looks nice? Yeah. I know. Ginaw sa labas. Grabe. Ang init. Ang init. Ang ginaw. Tami is nag-ano pala si Tami. Nag-i-edit ako ng video doon sa office niya na naman. Ngayon, nag-boil. Hala, ang sarap nito. Oh! Look what happened. He boiled an egg. He put the egg here. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna eat this salad. Kakain po ako nito. And, naglalaba din siya, guys. Okay. Let me shut all the lights here. Sa office. Yan. So, naglalaba din siya. Sabi pa niya, okay, I'm going to do laundry. But you have to get... Sabi pa niya, kailangan mong kunin kung ano yung nilabhan mo. Sabi pa niya, naglaba ka, hindi mo kinuha. Kunin mo yung nasa dryer. Mahilig maglaba, sabi ko. Sabi ko sa kanya, mga ano ito, mga towel, blanket, yarn. Ano bang mga requirements pag umuwi ng Pinas? Hindi man ako planong pang umuwi. Hindi pa kasi takot pa akong ano. So, meron bang mga Pilipina dyan na galing dito sa US na nakauwi na ng Pinas? So, guys, let me know, guys. Let me know. Kung ano yung ganap, you know, like... So, ano bang ganap sa kung uuwi ka ng Pinas. Kasi, may mga Pilipino na umuwi ng Pilipinas. So, pero hindi ko alam kung ano yung mga requirements. Kailangan ka bang magpa-inject? Kailangan ka bang mag-quarantine pagdating sa Pilipinas? Ano bang mga ilang months, ilang weeks, hindi months. Ilang weeks ba yung requirements? Yun yung tanong ko kasi alam nyo na. May naka-uwi ba na hindi citizen? And nakabalik dito? I mean, hindi ka naman illegal, di ba? Pero, alam nyo na, yung sa panahon ngayon, hindi na ako uwi. Hindi na ako uwi. Kain nga tayo ng salad niya kasi, you know, masarap ito maig. At saka inanunan niya. Sarap. Nilagyan niya ng season. And also, gusto niya ng sabaw. Yun. Inanuhan ko siya ng sabaw. Kasi gusto niya. He said he likes it. So, okay? You can have none. Ice cream, guys. We're gonna eat the ice cream because some of you said, eat the ice cream before you go bed. Okay,
It goes bad. It won't go bad.
Look, he won't go.
Ice cream will go bad. Come
For
on.
Tommy said ice cream never go bad.
Before it goes bad. You keep it for 2 years, it won't go bad. Friggin' ice cream, it's frozen milk.
Palahan, your dress, or your gown, We're gonna have ice cream while we're watching Snowpiercer. Huh? It's Snowpiercer, right? Purser? Piercer. Snowpiercer. Oh my goodness, look! He doesn't like, he's not a big fan of vanilla. Han, can you do this, Han?
Oh, yeah, because you should have took it out earlier, that's why.
Yeah.
You know, a trick to that, right?
I know, hot water.
And even that doesn't really work great.
So, ito yung binili ko na ice cream. Turkey Hill. Turkey Hill. Han, what are you doing? So, hala, Han, it's starting already, Han. Okay, we're watching this, guys.